In the world of professional sports, few names resonate with the echo of greatness like Kobe Bryant. His relentless pursuit of excellence on the basketball court has become the stuff of legends. Among his many habits, one stands out as particularly emblematic of his dedication: his 4 a.m. training sessions. This video breaks down the philosophy behind Kobe's 4 a.m. routine, as well as provides details on the routine itself. We then describe 10 key benefits of the routine together with how it can be applied to personal development and success in various aspects of life. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and liking the video. It will really help us to build the channel and provide more useful content to help you as well as others. Now, let's get started. The philosophy of the 4 a.m. routine. The 4 a.m. routine reflects a philosophy deeply rooted in discipline, dedication, and the pursuit of excellence. Kobe believed in the idea of outworking his competition and making the most of every day. By starting his training at 4 a.m., he aimed to gain an edge over his opponents, dedicating more hours to honing his skills and improving his game. This routine was part of a larger mindset that Kobe referred to as the Mamba mentality, which emphasizes constant growth, mental toughness, and the relentless pursuit of greatness. This approach is not just about physical training, it's a holistic philosophy that touches on the importance of mental preparation, focus, and resilience. The 4 a.m. routine symbolizes a commitment that goes beyond what is expected, pushing boundaries and setting a standard that few are willing to meet. It's about having the discipline to sacrifice immediate comfort for long-term success and the vision to prioritize long-term goals over short-term pleasures. Kobe's unwavering dedication to his craft demonstrates how adopting such a disciplined routine can lead to extraordinary achievements and a legacy that endures. The 4 a.m. routine breakdown. While the specific details of his daily routine might have varied over time and depending on his needs, here's a general outline based on various interviews and reports about his typical day. 4 a.m. Wake up. Kobe's day started at 4 a.m., a time he chose to get a head start on the world and to instill a mindset of discipline and dedication. 4:30 a.m. to 6 a.m. First workout session. This session typically focused on intense physical training, which could include weight training, conditioning, or skill development. Kobe believed in the philosophy of continuous improvement and pushing his limits. 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. Recovery and nutrition. After his first workout, Kobe would focus on recovery, often including a nutritious breakfast and sometimes treatments like ice baths or physical therapy to help his body recover. 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. Family time and personal activities. Kobe valued his time with his family, often spending the morning with them after his first workout session. 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Second workout session. This would typically involve more focused basketball skills training, such as shooting, dribbling, and tactical skills. 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Lunch and rest. Kobe would take a break for a healthy lunch, often incorporating a balanced diet to support his athletic performance. 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. Third workout session or team practice. If he had a team practice with the Lakers, it would usually occur during this time. Otherwise, he might have a third individual training session. 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Post-practice activities. This could include additional treatment, recovery, film study, or other basketball-related activities. 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Business activities or personal time. Kobe also had various business interests and personal projects that he would attend to in the afternoons. Evening, family time. Kobe was known for dedicating his evenings to spending time with his family, making it a priority to be present for them despite his busy schedule. Early to bed. Despite the early wake-up, Kobe made sure to get enough sleep, recognizing the importance of rest for recovery and performance. He reportedly aimed for a full 8 hours of sleep each night. 10 key benefits of the 4 a.m. routine. Kobe's progress and performance when compared to his competitors stood out remarkably, and a lot of this can be attributed to his 4 a.m. routine. His routine provided a foundation to his extraordinary work ethic, skill development, and mental toughness. Moreover, it offered several key benefits that contributed to his success both on and off the basketball court. Number 1. Maximize training time. By starting his day at 4 a.m., Kobe significantly extended his available time for training. This allowed him to fit in multiple high-quality workout sessions each day, which played a crucial role in developing his skills and physical fitness to an elite level. Number 2. Mental edge. Waking up at 4 a.m. and committing to such a disciplined routine helped Kobe develop a strong mental edge. It instilled a sense of dedication, resilience, and mental toughness, qualities that were evident in his on-court performance and decision-making. Number 3. Skill mastery. The schedule allowed Kobe to dedicate substantial time to honing his basketball skills. By having multiple training sessions in a day, he could focus on different aspects of his game, leading to continuous improvement and mastery. Number 4. Physical fitness and endurance. The multiple workout sessions combined with a focus on recovery and nutrition contributed to Kobe's exceptional physical fitness and endurance. This was crucial in a high-endurance sport like basketball, where physical conditioning can significantly impact performance. Number 5. Discipline and structure. The discipline required to adhere to such a schedule spilled over into other areas of Kobe's life. It helped him develop a structured approach to not just sports, but also his personal life, business ventures, and public engagements. Number 6. Time management. Kobe's schedule was a lesson in effective time management. By segmenting his day into dedicated periods for training, family, rest, and business, he was able to balance his professional commitments with his personal life. Number 7. Competitive advantage. The intensity and frequency of his training gave Kobe a significant competitive advantage. He often trained more and harder than his peers, which was reflected in his superior performance during games. Number 8. Family and personal life balance. Despite the intense focus on basketball, Kobe's schedule also prioritized family time. He ensured that evenings were dedicated to his family, demonstrating the importance of balancing professional dedication with personal relationships. 9. Focus on recovery. Kobe understood the importance of recovery in an athlete's routine. His schedule included dedicated time for rest, nutrition, and recovery activities, which helped in reducing the risk of injuries and maintaining a long, successful career. Number 10. Personal growth and learning. The disciplined nature of his routine and the variety of activities, including business ventures, allowed Kobe to grow not just as an athlete, but also as a person and a businessman. Before we end this video, we wanted to conclude that Kobe Bryant's 4 a.m. routine is more than just a tale of athletic prowess. It's a blueprint for personal development. It teaches the value of discipline, sacrifice, goal setting, and the power of consistent effort. By adopting some of these principles, individuals can strive for excellence in their endeavors, much like Kobe did on the basketball court. As always, we'll be here to help you along the way, so if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel for more personal development and overall life-improving videos that'll help to elevate you to the next level. We hope you enjoyed this video, and please, if you enjoy our content, leave your thoughts in the comments.